enjoying this lovely, vast ocean view. What are you looking at?
We can do it.
Oh, now she pretends she can do it, but she knows she can't. Update, we are still kayaking like 3 hours later because we didn't know what we were getting ourselves into, but look it, we're almost there and the beach looks so pretty. Looks like white sand, boys. Land. Boy. Let's go check it out. I fell. Whoops. We made it. It's time to feel the breeze. Feel the breeze between. This is so pretty. My father's still out there, just boarding land. Okay, so we were all the way over there, like past the birds, past the boat, like the land in which you see. And we're gonna Google how many miles this was, and I'll make sure to list it in the video. Mom, are you happy?